Hi guys, thanks for joining me. So this video is for the week of May 7th to the 13th. It's Mother's Day week, so I'm using the She's Loved photo kit from Planet Beautiful. It's on her new premium matte paper. It was really nice to use, it was really nice to write on, and it is a stunning kit. The colours don't show very well in this video, and I do apologise for that. So I started off talking during the plan with me, and then I kind of wasn't really feeling it and I didn't have much to talk about, so I'm now doing a voiceover. So I'm just going to start with my bottom washi as I typically do. I just tend to centre it in between those bottom lines there. I like a little bit of white space in between all my stickers, so you know, that makes it work quite nicely for me. And now I'm just trying to work out which full boxes I want to use. There's actually 9 full boxes on that page and an extra one on the page I'm holding in my right hand. So I just decided to go with my staggered 1 full box on each day look that I tend to do. I just like that. It just keeps things interesting. I didn't really pre-plan my planning here, so it was just kind of fly by the seat of my pants kind of deal. And as you'll see as we go along, I did rush it a little bit. Now these stickers, they didn't come up the easiest, but they when you know they did come up, they didn't really rip the paper, and they went back down and they stuck very well, and they've been stuck for the last few days that they've been in, so that was really good. But they're really easy to use and they go down really, really nicely. There's no kinking, there's no ripping. Yeah, it was really good. So the macarons really blend in quite nicely there, don't they? Just look like macarons floating in space, but I think that's really pretty. I was really happy with how that looked. And now just going through my glitter headers, and as you will be able to see, I've actually gotten better at my glitter headers since the first time I started. I do make a couple of mistakes as we go along, but you know, all in all, my progress has been magnificent compared to my first plan with me. I just decided to stagger them here as well. I know that some people like to colour block, and I haven't tried that yet. I might with my next kit. I'm going to be doing a rewind plan soon when my Star Wars kit arrives, so maybe I'll do some colour blocking, but that's a pretty dark kit, so we'll see what happens. Colours in this kit are really nice. They look really, really subtle as you're watching it on the video, and they are subtle in real life, but they are a lot bolder, and the flowers have so many dimensions to them. That blue is stunning, and the pink and the fuchsia, they're just really lovely colours. And I thought that this kit, even though not all mothers like flowers and things like that, it's just, I wanted it to be lovely and loving, and my mum loves flowers and I like flowers and my girls like flowers, so it was pretty fitting. And hey, it was a Planet Beautiful kit and you can't really say no to those. I have issues getting some stickers up, but that's my problem, not the sticker paper problem. Now watch this. This I make an absolute mess of. I was contemplating whether or not to alternate the pink and the blue, but I just went with the blue and I'm still pretty happy with it. Now, yeah, that's where it was a mess. I'd overlapped, my stickers weren't lining up, and I got a little bit frustrated, so I just lifted them all back up and placed them down again. And then got frustrated and said, no, I'm leaving it. shows, which I actually pre-planned. I remembered what TV shows I had for each day, so I didn't have to stop the video and go off and get my list as per usual. I'm using my Papermate Ink Joy Gel 0.7 in black to write my Wednesday TV shows, just because I find it really difficult to write when it's on the Wednesday, because I'm right-handed and I run into the spirals, so that just made life a little bit easier. And I've got 4 TV shows here on Thursday, and I messed this up big time. It is like I bent the paper, and then I just went, do you know what? Stuff it. So I loved this kit, and I should have taken a lot more time and care with it, but I don't know what was going on with me that day. I was just not feeling it. Like, I wanted to plan, but I wasn't wholehearted into it. So now I'm just heading to my sidebar, and as I was putting that sticker down, I thought, oh, I should have put it at the bottom, but I decided to go with it, and I'm putting my heart checklist down so that I can track my shifts with work, because I've now changed my shifts. So yeah, they've all changed, and I get paid different amounts and things like that. I've actually decreased my shifts at work because of my own business that I run from home, so I'm decreasing my actual work for someone else hours. I'm just using my Coffee Monsters Co. emoji to symbolise that is a work checklist. Completely messed up that heart checklist when I ripped it up, so I just replaced it with another one. These are my lime and mortar stickers. I'm using the work labels in the pastel colours. I thought that they would be best for this kit, and I already messed up my shifts because I put my Tuesday shift on Monday, but fixed that already, so that's okay. And again with my lime and mortar, the swimming stickers for Seven and her swimming lessons. And then I forgot that I actually had an appointment on Monday, so just not an appointment, my on-call hours for Monday. So I just put that little appointment label down, and using my glitter half boxes for an appointment that Seven has on Tuesday. And her taekwondo stickers still with her yellow belt because she hasn't had her grading yet, so hopefully that's coming up in the next couple of weeks. And then Thea has her baby group on a Monday, and then she goes to her toddler play group on Thursday, and then she has swimming on Friday morning. I have some more on-call shifts on the weekend, so just using another glitter appointment label there, and also on Thursday. So many functional things with this, so I'm just showing you all the stickers. These are from Luscious Labels. These are my kitty litter trays that I put down for every Sunday night. The camera is going to go in and out of focus as I show you the labels, and I do apologise, but yeah. And you're going to watch me do some planning in blurry for a while, but you know, you'll survive. So I'm using that for planning time and videoing. Put that on Friday because that's when I like to do my videos. And my Once More With Love upload, download and edit stickers. This is an edit sticker. Put that on for Saturday, and I'm going to use the upload on the laptop little emoji. No, they're not emojis, they're munchkins. Once More With Love are munchkins. And oh, watch this. So doing my weekend banner, there is another planner girl, Kylie. She is Aussie Sticker Queen. She uses half boxes underneath her weekend labels, so I decided to take a leaf out of her book and try it for this week. And as you will see, I don't know what I was doing, but I completely messed up my weekend label, so I just fixed it and placed it down, so it doesn't look too bad. And these are the Planet Beautiful Squad girls, so I decided to use one of those. She's got housework things. And there's my spread. Really hope you liked it. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you next week.